Morning. Good morning, man. How are you?
How'd you sleep? Tired? Tired?
A little bit, but you know, I'm from Mexico. Wow. My mother from Guatemala, my father from Mexico, and we are Mexicans. We like to work.
Guy, he's like, so where'd you get it done? I was like, the shop JC Auto Body. He's like, oh, the Mexicans, they work hard. I know all about them.
Yeah. You know, sometimes when we have to do it, Sunday, couple of hours, we do it. But otherwise, I like to be with my family too.
Oh, I understand. That's why I was hoping just to get here on time.
Oh, no.
That way you can go ahead.
It's fine, because see, this is part of the mistake we made with that letter.
Now that definitely comes together. Oh, this looks so good right there. My God. Just that, how perfect it is. Wow. Woo! A dream coming true. So that's the door he, by mistakenly, hit with that, but it's not a big deal because he finessed it again overnight because he's a beast. He is awesome at what he does, you guys. I'm telling you, once the sun hits this, there's the tails. The tails are already in. I'm doing the trunk latch right now, and then I'm putting the moldings in. You gotta keep it on there for a second. Yeah, I just gotta put a plate on. I'll put that right there in the middle, you guys. Woo! Oh, you guys. I'm impressed. I don't need the front plate, just the rear.
Just the rear?
Yeah. I can put that right there in the front. Yep. You guys. Woo! Hear that thing? Brand new headlights, brand new paint job, brand new carbon fiber, freshly rebuilt motor. Can't go wrong, you guys. Fucking pump. Look at that PVO, molded in. Just sounding nice. So I gotta plug this in because clearly this ain't turning on. So look at this. Boom. Looks nice now. Woo! It's official, you guys. It's official. You guys, 7 years. It's been 7 years since I've had a fully assembled Neon SRT4. Hopefully this fucking thing sticks. Straighten my steering wheel clearly. My strut tower, I gotta tighten that. That's what I gotta tighten. You guys, ooh, you hear that pop? That's what it is. It's not tight enough. Or, yeah, it definitely is. Or it's something to do with lower control arm. So, downshift. That's too close to the. Yeah, it's definitely popping over here, you guys. Woo! Gonna let it idle for a second. Put the windows up. Everything's working perfectly. Awesome. So, try to get out of this. There we go. There we go. Definitely different. Especially outside, it really does pop now. You did amazing, man. Just needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but really not that much assembling left to do.